All right, I'm excited to show you this 2-in-1 wireless fence and remote training device. It's nice that it is 2-in-1. You get both best of both worlds in just one single device. It's just designed to keep your dog safe and then just provide those reliable training options when you need it. All right, let's go ahead and change the camera angle so you can get a better look at the screen so we can go a little bit more in depth on what this can do. All right, so here's everything it comes with. I keep the box it came in just to have all the different accessories there. So let's go ahead and power on the remote. So you can see here on the main screen, there's different modes that you can cycle between, but here you can just see the different type of modes that you can change. That's sound, vibration, shock, and the light settings. All is adjustable directly through this remote. You simply press the mode button here, and you can see we can change how severe each one is, the vibration, the shock, the light, etc. And now that we've talked about those modes, I'll show you what it sounds like. We've got the collar right here. So if we do the sound, that's the sound I've chosen out of the few that are available. Got the vibration, the shock, which we obviously won't hear. And then you have the light. And it comes with the light button just on the side here. You can click that and you can now see that the light is on. You may not be able to tell with the camera, but that is on. There's different brightness levels that you can choose. And then you can simply turn it off by clicking that light button again. All right, now that we've gone through those basic modes, if we want to be able to set our fence, we need to choose our center position, and that's all done through the collar here. So once we have that up, we can cycle between the different modes. And here you can see I've already set it to 140 yards from this point. This is ground zero where I'm sitting, and you can set that radius anywhere from 33 yards to 999 yards. So this will just allow your dog to roam freely while staying within those safe limits that you've preset. And you can see this number here, that'll just tell you how far away the collar is from that ground zero. So the tracking is really cool as well. You'll be able to monitor your dog's distance and direction in real time, and that is up to 500 yards of range. So I'm going to get up and put this over there, and so that we can see that tracking in real time from the remote. So I didn't take the collar too far away, but you can see it is now 16 yards away, and you can see where exactly from this map. And since it's not too far away, let's see if we can hear the sound. You may not be able to hear that because of the mic I'm using, but I was able to hear that sound from this far away because it's still pretty close. And something I like about things like this that just allow you to customize it to your liking. It's nice to be able to decide if you want to train using the beep or the vibration or the static shock, or starting with one and then escalating if needed, thanks to there being multiple different intensity levels just to suit whatever your or your dog needs are. So let's just quickly dive into some of the accessories. You've got both the chargers here for the remote and the dog collar. This is a tool. It's nice. It's a multi-tool. You can use this to test the shock power, and also you can see these holes here. You can use that to be able to use it as a wrench to screw these prongs in on the dog collar right there. And then you also come with the rubber casings for each size prong that there is. And I know I've mentioned this multiple times throughout this video, but I just really do appreciate the customization, being able to cater this to the way you need it, to the way your dog needs it, and having that 2-in-1 GPS and also remote training device all in one is just nice to be able to have that peace of mind and that customized training however you want it. And for me, it's a great time to have up here. I spend a lot of time in this very spacious area, and when I have my dogs up here, especially the ones that need a little bit more help, it's nice to have peace of mind having this available and ready to use. So I really hope this review was informative to you. Hope it helps, and good luck with your search.
So this is Phoebe. She's a very young Portuguese water dog. She's about medium size now, so this collar works for her, but she'll definitely grow into it a little bit more as she continues growing. But I expect this to be an excellent device as we continue on with her training, just to get her to where we need her to be and understand what can be done and what cannot be done.